Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install VEXcode V5 text. To start, click the download link in the description below. Scroll down to VEXcode V5 text. It's very important at this point that you do not download the install file for V5 blocks. Once the download is complete, double-click to open the install file. The install window will ask you to install several C++ packages. You can allow this. After that, agree to the license agreement. Finally, click the install button. At this point, the terminal will pop up and might ask you to install a few other things. Click Install. Once this is complete, press the Finish button to move on. Now that you've finished installing, the icon will be located on your desktop. Happy coding!